Hello. So today I'm going to be showing you how to update your availability as a doctor on my cloud clinic. So you start by clicking on these 3 lines and then you can click on my availability as a doctor on the platform. You can update your availability from here. You can see the current availability that you have, and then you can update your availability by clicking this plus sign at the bottom right hand. You click on plus. You decide if you want this availability to repeat or not. And then if you say you want the availability to be repeated, you can select an interval type to say, oh, you want it to be on weekdays, you want it to be daily, you want it to be weekly, or you want it to be monthly. So if you select daily, you can select a start date. Let's say your start date is January 19th. You click on OK and your end date can be, let's say February 19th. And then you click on OK and now you can select a start time and an end time. So your start time can be as early as 8 a.m. in the morning. So you pick 8 a.m. in the morning, and then your end time can be as late as you want. But for the case of this video, let's say 10 p.m. at night, and then you select this, and then once you click on saved, the availability has been saved already. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much. Bye.